At Elkin Fieldhouse in Shawnee to explain what happened. Carolina?
Well, the county started vaccinating people in phase 2. It's part of Kansas's plan for the vaccination, and the line, it started here right at the very entrance. It wrapped all the way along this fence line, and people were standing pretty close, and it's definitely not what they expected.
Inside, of course, it's nice and warm, but out here it's cold.
Joe Cooley kept his wife Ruth company outside as she waited her turn in line at Elkin Fieldhouse's COVID vaccine site.
I don't know how many hundreds of people, but it was extremely long.
Yeah, I started way back my car is way over facing the fence.
Deputy Director of Johnson County's Health Department, Mary Beverly, says the agency prepared for a large turnout, but not this bottleneck.
Everybody here is old.
Pfizer and Moderna's COVID vaccine were available to people 80 and up with an appointment.
It's quite a large group.
People 65 and up and healthcare workers still in need of a second dose were also vaccinated on site.
We're juggling a lot.
The county identified some ways to make the process better for tomorrow.
The discomfort and some being in line for longer than is expected. I apologize on behalf of DHE staff, and we have been making adjustments to ensure that doesn't happen again.
And just within the last 5 minutes, the county wrapped up a press conference that they had addressing what happened this morning. There will be a few changes tomorrow. Dr. Sammy Arreola with the Department of Health, he says they will be making a way for people to wait in their cars if they have to. They're asking people if they have an appointment to not show up any earlier than 30 minutes before their time frame because they've kind of slotted people out to 30-minute increments. They're also asking more staff to show up tomorrow. They're going to have staff standing outside to kind of make the flow a little bit easier. And then also there's going to be people inside the facility that they have rearranged the facility. They don't think anybody's going to have to be waiting outside just because of the way they rearranged things inside. And we will have more on the changes that they're going to try to make for tomorrow coming up at 6. Reporting in Shawnee, I'm Carolina Cruz, KCTV 5 News.
I'm glad to hear